In this video, I will show you how to improve the Snapchat camera quality on your iPhone. First things first, open up the Snapchat app on your iPhone. Once it's loaded, look for the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile. Now that you're in your profile, find and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will take you into the settings menu where all customization options are available. Scroll down until you see an option labeled Clear Data. This is an important step for improving performance and quality. When apps accumulate cache data over time, it can lead to glitches and lower quality outputs. Once you've found it, tap on Clear Data. Select Clear Cache. Then confirm by tapping Clear. After clearing the cache, exit out of Snapchat completely. Next, let's check if there's an update available for Snapchat. Open up your Apple App Store and search for Snapchat. If there's an update button visible next to the app name, go ahead and tap it. Keeping your apps updated ensures you have access to all recent features and improvements that can enhance camera quality. Once you've updated the app, restart your iPhone. This simple step refreshes system processes and can significantly boost performance across all applications. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.